السلام عليكم. لا تنسوا الاعجاب بالفيديو والاشتراك في القناة تشجيعا لنا لنستمر بنشر المزيد إن شاء الله.
How vaccine passports for international travel will work. Vaccine اللقاح. Visiting another country, you will need a passport and probably a digital vaccination document. Digital vaccination document. وثيقة تطعيم رقمية. Hoping to restore international travel, the European Union, some Asian governments, and the airline industry want to create a vaccine passport. Airline industry, صناعة الطيران. Quarantine requirements, متطلبات الحجر الصحي. They are working on systems for travelers to use phone apps to prove they have been vaccinated. This will help travelers avoid local quarantine requirements when they arrive. Privacy, الخصوصية, privacy. The various efforts, however, show the lack of a central international system to check on vaccinations, either electronically or with paper documents. There are also questions about privacy and vaccine inequality. Vaccine inequality, عدم المساواة في اللقاحات. But many countries want them. The European Union, EU, and countries like Iceland have opened their borders to vaccinated visitors. Saudi Arabia will soon start permitting its vaccinated citizens to travel to foreign countries. Borders, الحدود, borders. Foreign countries, دول أجنبية. Foreign. Here is a look at how vaccine passports might work. Might work يمكن أن يعمل أو قد يعمل. Official efforts, الجهود الرسمية. The EU, China, and Japan are working on their own digital vaccination documents for international travel. Britain updated its National Health Service app last week to let travelers prove they have been fully vaccinated. It comes just as travel rules are easing. Ease يخفف. Travel rules are easing. قواعد السفر تخفف، يتم تخفيفها، يعني ليست مشددة أو صارمة. Ease. The EU is testing a digital document to confirm COVID-19 test results or recovery from the virus. It is to start by the end of June. Recovery from the virus, التعافي من الفيروس. Recovery from the virus. لا يزال من غير الواضح أين وكيف سيتم فحص وثائق اللقاح الخاصة بالمسافرين في الاتحاد الأوروبي بالضبط، نظرا لعدم وجود حدود. يقول المسؤولون في بروكسل إن هذا السؤال سيحسمه كل بلد وسيقرره كل بلد. It is still unclear where and how exactly travelers in the EU will have their vaccine documents checked, since there are no borders. Officials in Brussels say that question will be decided by each country. The idea is that travelers will show a QR code on their phones so it can be inspected at an airport or train station. Officials will check it against national databases. Officials المسؤولون officials database قاعدة بيانات. Officials will check it against national databases. سيقوم المسؤولون بفحصه مقابل قواعد البيانات الوطنية. سيفحصون هذا الكود QR code. سأريكم صورة ل QR code. هذه مجموعة من QR codes. Travel apps تطبيقات السفر. Travelers also need a phone app to show an official vaccination document. The EU's project includes free technology European countries can use to build their official documents. يتضمن مشروع الاتحاد الأوروبي تقنية مجانية يمكن للدول الأوروبية استخدامها لبناء وثائقها الرسمية. To build their official documents. Official رسمي. The Airline Industry Organization, the International Air Transport Association, has its own IATA travel pass. Airlines including Qantas, Japan Airlines, Emirates, British Airways and Virgin Atlantic have agreed to use the app. وافقوا على استخدام التطبيق. Have agreed to use the app. Common Pass is another app being used by Cathay Pacific, JetBlue, United and Lufthansa. يعني Common Pass وتطبيق آخر تستخدمه هذه الشركات للتحقق من تلقي المسافرين للقاح. Right now Travel Pass and Common Pass are only available to travelers on airlines that are using them. Both can be used with airline travel apps, so users can show they have been vaccinated when they check in online. Both also plan to be used with EU vaccine documents. Common Pass says users will be able to put in their vaccine information by mid-June. Common Pass head Paul Mayer said vaccine passports will only become more common. أكثر شيوعا. Our expectation is it'll remain a requirement for international travel. وقد نتوقع أن يظل هذا أحد متطلبات السفر الدولي.